Hey besties! Welcome back to Lily and Lola Glam Fam. Let's lay the shoes DIY today. I'm actually going to do a vibe check for SHIN CHAN because I will be DIYing the Mary Jane shoes with drip SHIN CHAN's hair clips from Lazada. So cute, you know. I personally think that SHIN CHAN is the gold manga series. It's dope. It's giving me life. Anyway, let us start with the first step. We have 3 strip SHIN CHAN hair clips over here. Which one do you think we should stand? A, B, or C? Sheesh, good choice guys. Should we add more hair clips on it? Bad girl! Now we have another 2 cash SHIN CHAN hair clips over here. Which one do you think should we stand? A or B? Yes! Ever since I received the hairpins, this is living rent-free in my head. Do you think we should add some more plush hairpins to give the shoes an aesthetic vibes? I have 3 plushy hair accessories here. Which one do you think should we stand? A, B, or C? Gucci! Literally no cap, this is flawless. Now we can slide to these shoes and you will be dripping in swag. That's a wrap on today's DIY with the SHIN CHAN Hair Pin on Mary Jane shoes. If you're vibing with this look, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment below with what theme I should DIY next. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Bye!